Hello my loves, it's Kasha Plannerista 101. Today we are going to be creating a spread in my journal which is called Sophisticated Florals, and it is a classic size heavy planner in a vertical layout. So it is for the week of December 19th through the 25th. I'm almost done with this planner, super excited. I'm going to be using the Holly Jolly sticker book from the Live Love Posh. Her a little bit more of a classic Christmas stickers. That's what I want to use. So we're gonna use this door and a Christmas tree and like all of these really beautiful elements of Christmas. So here we go. If this is your first time joining my channel, welcome. I hope you like it here. If you have been here before and you're coming back to spend more time with me, thank you so much and welcome back. So I also pulled out the Chic Christmas or Chic Winter sticker book from Live Love Posh, and I'm gonna add some stuff from there as well. I'm gonna be mixing and matching some stuff. There's this mantelpiece that I can put somewhere up here and create a little bit of a shelf on the wall type of thing. And let's see, I put a wreath on Thursday. Like all of these little items are so cute and I can't get enough of them. So I'm just playing with different things. I'm gonna add some stockings to the mantle. So hopefully that works out. Let's see. I'll add that, and I think I'm gonna fix that big one. So it's gonna be like two smaller ones and a big one, and that might work. You have to be so careful, but I think I got it. Okay, let's see. Yep, I think that looks better, and they're hanging out. So this should be a pretty quick spread. I will be writing quite a bit in here, and we have naughty and nice ornaments. I think that's so adorable. Some pillows with the checkered buffalo plaid. So then we have a few more little things. What else should I add in here? I kind of want to add the other ornaments in here, but I think that's too much and it's going to be kind of weird if I put it above the Christmas tree. So I'm trying to decide what to do here, but let's see if I can add a couple more things up here. So I'm adding a few small elements that I can play with. So that's from this book, and now we're gonna go back to Holly Jolly. I'm gonna add a few more of wreaths throughout the spread, and then I can write something main event for that day. Okay. Let's see. Let's add this banner that says Merry Christmas and add all of these little plants throughout. Can I add this coffee somewhere? Okay. For now, I'll go there. The snow globe doesn't go, so that's gonna go back on the page. I also don't like the color scheme that this coffee is bringing, so I'm putting it back. Don't be afraid to put stickers back if they don't look right. I mean, we're all going for that balanced look in the planner, so it's very hard sometimes. Once you put a sticker down and it's like regret, take it off. Who cares? Just take it off. You can reuse it. And even if you decide not to reuse it, that's okay. So this bow is too big. It's going back. Let's use the smaller ones. Look at these stars. They're beautiful. And I'm gonna add a few of these little bows independently just throughout the spread. I think that looks good as well. Okay, let's see. Maybe a couple more. So I'm gonna add gifts to there. Maybe another gift up here. Let's see. Kind of wanna, let's see what's in here. Maybe I can play with those and add a little something. So I want to add these plants. So let's add one up here and one up here. And maybe, let's see, maybe I can add a big tree up there. Let's remove this sticker really quick and put a bigger tree of those like 3 ones that are not lit up. Like that one with all the lights. Oh, I thought this one is lit up, but it is. Okay, so and then maybe I can add just another little girl into the spread in between the trees. Let's see, add a pillow, add some coffee, and at least the sidebar is done. The only thing that kind of looks awkward is that tree and the door. So I'm gonna go ahead and find another little girl to add in there. And honestly, I think that might be it, but let's see. Can I use one of these? Let's see. I know I'm flipping through sticker books like a crazy person. Are you guys ready for Christmas? Are your gifts all wrapped? Pretty excited. I made a lot of gifts with Cricut this year, so that's a bit fun. And I'm gonna go ahead and add that little girl like I said, and I think my spread is done. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you very soon for another plan with me. Thanks for joining today. Bye.